Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick video on how to reset the oil maintenance indicator on a 21 Acura RDX. This is going to work on a 2019 model and above. It's the same procedure. So you can see here is at 15%. Light will come on at 15 when it's time to change the oil. So I just recently changed the oil, so I'm going to show you how to reset it. So just go here until you see the maintenance life, and then you're going to go to select the home button on your touchpad, and then you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to vehicle, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, maintenance information, and then you're going to select, you can see here it says 50%, select the oil and filter, and then select the reset. Then you select reset, and you can see there, you hear the chime. Now it's back 100%. So that's how you do it. And thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe. See you next time.